This is not your average doctor-patient relationship. Obstetrician and gynecologist Dr. Angela Pratt helped save Jeannie Lum's life when she went into labor early.
I do feel grateful every day when I look at my daughters and I think of Dr. Pratt.
I just feel that I was fortunate enough that Jeannie felt touched by me enough and that I touched her life and she touched mine. I have her story at my elbow every time I touch another patient, every time I have an obstetrical emergency.
Dr. Pratt has worked at Kapiolani Medical Center for Women and Children for more than 20 years, but her interest in obstetrics goes back much further.
You know, when people ask me, how long have you been at Kapiolani? I think they're pretty surprised to say about 5 months in utero. Because my mother was in preterm labor at 24 weeks.
Fortunately, her mom didn't deliver her until 36 weeks, and Dr. Pratt thrived as a baby to be the doctor she is today.
But I know that if I had been Jeannie at 24, 28, 32 weeks and had delivered, I wouldn't be having this conversation with you.
I remember it was the 4th of July, and I was at the store, went to the restroom, didn't have time to call the ambulance. Got in, texted Dr. Pratt. I told her, I don't know what's happening. I don't know if my baby's okay. I don't know if I'm gonna be okay, because there was just a lot of blood.
How scared were you at that point?
Totally scared, really scared.
At her lowest moment, she says Dr. Pratt was right there with her every step of the way.
Hugging me while I was getting my epidural, and she was like saying a little prayer with me, but she was just holding me like a mom would. And I was ready to deliver, and then the moment I heard my baby cry, yeah, it's great.
But going through my head was keeping her calm, keeping the team calm, and I noticed that when I get stressed, my voice actually gets quieter, and the room kind of calms down.
That calm helped bring Jeannie's 2 healthy daughters into this world. And while it has been years since they were born, it is something neither woman will forget for life. And it is the reason Jeannie nominated Dr. Pratt as a Hawaii healthcare hero.
She was just more than my doctor. She was a mom, she was a sister, she was a friend, all at that one moment.
I have Jeannie to thank, and to be thanked in return for my purposeful life, for my chosen work, my calling, so to speak, and to be given accolades for something that I would do just because it's my life passion. It's so meaningful, I can't even describe it.